In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your money from your margin wallet on Binance and transfer it back to your spot wallet. This is a simple process, but crucial to understand if you wish to manage your funds effectively. We'll guide you through each step with clarity so you don't miss any important details. First and foremost, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. It's essential to have your credentials at hand for seamless access. Once you're in, you might see a variety of options on your screen, but our focus will specifically be on managing your margin wallet. Now, navigate to the trade section. This is usually expressed with an icon on the main taskbar of the app. Tap on that and then head to the margin section within trade. This area of the app provides a hub for all your margin trading activities, but today we're not trading, we're transferring funds out. Once you are in the margin section, you'll notice three small dots located at the top right corner of your screen. These dots represent additional actions you can take. Tap on them and from the menu that appears, select transfer. This selection opens up a gateway to shift your assets between different wallets within your Binance account. Next, you'll need to set the direction for your intended transfer. This is critical. Ensure that the transfer direction is set from margin to spot. The spot wallet is essentially where your non-marginable assets are held, making it the default destination for direct trading. Correct direction setting here ensures proper fund allocation without any hitches. With the direction set, it's time to select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. You might be dealing with USDT, BTC, or another coin. This step is straightforward. Select your preferred crypto from the list presented, and then enter the specific amount you'd like to transfer. Double check the amount for accuracy to make sure it aligns with your transfer goals. Finally, after confirming your choice of cryptocurrency and the amount, tap on Confirm Transfer. This final confirmation is the green light for your funds to seamlessly move from your margin wallet to your spot wallet. Typically, the transfer happens instantly, allowing you immediate access to your funds for whatever trades or transactions you plan next. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to reclaim your funds from the margin wallet on Binance. By following these steps, you ensure that your assets are back in the spot wallet, ready and accessible for your next trading move. Thanks for joining us today, and happy trading.